I'm really so asleep. It's the last day of ISTE, guys. And most of us are pretty freaking tired, but we'll make it through. So we got scheduled into one more poster session, surprise poster session, but it's fine. We already know what we're doing. We're going back to that first day's poster session of us being a startup company. So that'll be exciting. We gotta check out at 7:30. It's 7:34 right now, so we're waiting for the shuttle. And then go into ISTE, maybe hang around the expo hall until we have to start. I think our poster session's at like 11, so we've got some time to kill. But yeah, see ya.
I want him to know I'm being sincere, deeply sincere, when I tell him Quizlet Live is awful. Kahoot is God tier, S tier. It is truly Ingen, not the clumbing. Truly Ingen, not the clumbing.
Yes, thank you.
Incredibly superior to Quizlet Live.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear. That's really cool. Do you have like any feedback you would like to give to us, like about what you would like to see?
It's time for our last, final, and best possible lanyard upgrade, Kahoot lanyard. All right, literally no better lanyard to end the expo with than the legends themselves. The Kahoot people were really nice. They gave us a lot of cool stuff. We got the lanyard, of course, t-shirt, really cute pop socket, all that jazz, some stickers. And yeah, really nice Scandinavian company, and they showed us some features that we weren't aware of. The app is actually very nice, very cool. They're coming out with some new features August 1st. Legitimately, I think you guys should check them out. Could take down Quizlet in terms of study guides. So check out Kahoot. We love them. I think they love us. Yeah.
How do you feel about losing?
That woman is straight stupid. We're here for our third and final poster session. We weren't scheduled for it, but we managed to snag it from another group that canceled. I'm gonna try to give it, talk to people, even though I literally cannot talk at all. Like, I'm so hoarse, but that's okay. Riley's watch needs to shut up for once, stop beeping every freaking hour. But yeah, we're about to do another 2 hours of talking to strangers, so that's fun. So we're backing up our poster session. Yeah, we're going to do something. What are we doing, Riley?
I think we're literally just going home.
We're going home. Oh my God. That's sad, but also I'm excited because I need to sleep and eat regularly and not, you know. But yeah, okay, so we're packing up. That's great. It actually wasn't too bad talking the past 2 hours because like kind of didn't, because not a lot of people came to this one, honestly. We're kind of at a poster session that isn't really our...
Poster session depression.
Well, yeah, I'm having poster session depression, but we're kind of at a poster session like group that it doesn't fit ours. We're at blended learning. Everyone here is doing blended learning, and while we're technically blended learning, it's not really the kind of blended learning that people are interested in learning about. So not a whole lot of people came. I'd say it's probably our slowest day, but it was pretty fun either way. And yeah.
Sorry, I'm packing up, you heard?
We're packing up, aren't we?
We're packing
Hey, get to work, Riley. Get to work in it.
All right, folks.
Yeah.
Whoa, where are we? We're back at East Pennsboro. It's good to be home. We're all very tired. I slept in the car ride. I still don't have a voice. But yeah, that's the end of our vlogs. This is our last vlog. There's just a few people we'd like to thank. First and foremost, we'd like to thank the Education Foundation for giving us the money to go on this trip. It was very kind of them. They support us a lot. So thank you, Education Foundation. We love you. Second up, we'd like to thank ISTE for choosing our session to come and talk, to allow us to present at their conference. You know, it's a great honor to be able to present at ISTE, and we're very thankful. And finally, thank you to Radcaster, just kidding, it's Padcaster, for sending us equipment and being super nice to us while we're at ISTE. They came to our stand, they asked us to come to theirs, they were just super nice. So thank you to Padcaster, there's some great people there. Look at them if you're interested. That's the end of the vlog. Jared, what are the final words?
We're home.
Yeah, it's time.
We're home.
We're gonna leave.
We're home. We're home. Bye. See ya.
Are we?